Dr Soutphommasane, were you consulted directly by the government on its proposed amendments to the Racial Discrimination Act?
Tim Soutphommasane, Racial Discrimination Commissioner. Senator was not consulted.
Were you consulted by the government in relation to the drafting of the proposed changes?
No.
Can you provide a brief summary in the time I have of the impact of the government's proposed changes to the race hate protections in the Racial Discrimination Act?
Well, Senator, point of order, Mr Chairman. I object to that question. The Senator has characterised in a very tendentious way the legislation and the government's intentions. Those intentions, as we learnt yesterday after a long exchange, have not yet been finalised. So I think it is hypothetical.
Well, I can rephrase the question.
Not only is it hypothetical, but the premise on which the question has been put to the Commissioner is just wrong.
Okay.
Now, but I can tell you, Senator.
Well, thanks, Senator Brandis. Senator Singh, I would rule the question out of order, but you want to rephrase it. Thanks.
Could you provide a summary of the impact of the exposure draft that's currently out for consultation by the government, what effect that would have on race hate protections in the Racial Discrimination Act?
Senator, I have...
Well, that's the same question that I objected to.
Well, no, it's not.
Exactly the same question.
I didn't say it was a proposed change.
It's exactly
I said it was the exposure draft. So I didn't say it was what you proposed.
I objected to.
I said it's what you've put out for public consultation.
It is also asking for an opinion, and as you know, that's not relevant.
I don't understand why the minister's so defensive.
No, I'm not defensive.
The Commissioner giving comment on his own exposure draft.
Senator Brandis,
I'm extremely eager to
we have certain rules.
Why are you so defensive
we have certain,
Senator
Singh, we have certain rules.
On your exposure draft?
Senator Singh, please. We have certain rules in the Senate, and hypothetical and opinions are really not questions that, as you know, can be put. So I think the point's made. Thank you, Minister. So do you have another question? Well, you're almost out of time.
Yes, I can ask another question.
Well, can I give you the information I was trying to give you, Senator? It's not the practice of any government to consult members of the Human Rights Commission on drafting issues, but I can tell you that I'm aware of Dr Soutphommasane's views on this.
But you don't want him to share those with the committee.
If I may finish, I think Dr Soutphommasane's views are very well known to the public, and just as the views of all the participants in this debate have been taken into consideration by the government, so have Dr Soutphommasane's views been taken into consideration.
So much for freedom of speech.